Hey, what's going on, guys? So there's something I wanted to talk to you about. It's about creating an LLC for Amazon, and basically it's not as easy as you think, or at least it's not as quick as you think. So basically the big YouTubers are making it sound like, all right, so here's the steps you follow. If you have this much money, you could basically start today and start making money. Well, it's not necessarily true. If you want to do it the right way, a lot of people are advising to make an LLC, which I did. And obviously for an LLC, it's a separate entity from yourself, so you can't use your personal bank account. So you then need to set up a business bank account with a bank. And then if you're going to be, obviously you have to register a card with Amazon to get started. So you need a business card as well, which is going to take about another week. So my LLC, I filed with InkFile. It took about probably a week from the day I started to get my information to where I could go make a bank account. And I made a bank account about a week ago to the day. So now we're 2 weeks in just to create the LLC and bank account. And I still haven't gotten my business card, which I need to set up my Amazon seller account. Keep in mind, you could start as an individual and then just make your business and be selling stuff while your business is happening. But I just wanted to start the right way up front so I don't have to worry about this stuff later on. But yeah, a lot of people aren't really talking about like how long it takes to set this stuff up. They're like, yeah, it takes one day, next business day you'll have all this stuff. Like, that's not really true. So basically, if you were thinking about getting started, don't just wait until you have enough money and then start right away. Like, if you have enough money to make your LLC, make your LLC. And then while that's in process, keep working at your part-time job or if you're doing retail arbitrage, however you're making money, save that for your first product. Because I had enough money for my first product 3 weeks ago, and I was like, all right, I'm ready to do this. I'm like almost ready to quit my job and stuff, and like, yeah, it's taken a lot longer than I thought. So it's definitely not just like you have this much money, you could start today. Like I said, you could always do it as an individual, but I wanted to start with the LLC and just do it the right way. Okay, and so another thing I wanted to touch on is, as a verification method for setting up your Amazon seller account, Amazon asks you for a bank statement from your business account. So if you're signing up as an LLC, you need a bank statement. And I don't know if you guys know anything about banks, but you don't get a bank statement until 30 days after opening your bank account. So if you just made your bank account for your LLC, that means you can't even start selling on Amazon for another month. Just right out the gate, as a verification method, they need a bank statement. So that was kind of a bummer. I tried to sign up with like my temporary card, and I figured I could just switch my card over to my new card once I got it, but they need a bank statement. So I had my bank print me out a transaction history. Hopefully that'll be good enough once I try signing up with my real card. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on where my Amazon journey is going. So apparently I got an email, and I should have my business card very soon, within a couple business days. So I'll be able to make my seller account, and I'll definitely update you guys on how that's going. So see you in the next video.